So today is Saturday, November the 18th, and it's a beautiful 64 degrees. Let's try to get something done on that tiny feed shed before the rain moves in the next couple days. So I believe last time we left off after putting up this back wall. Really doesn't consist of much. A couple vertical pieces and a few horizontal pieces. Today I've been trying to get these walls plumb. They've been doing the snake, so I put some bracing up. Got a 2x4 on each corner holding that wall straight. So I'm going to attach this 2x4 to each wall here, so when I remove that diagonal brace, hopefully the walls don't move. There's not much room to move around in this tiny feed shed. So I went ahead and attached two pieces of 2x6 blocking to the bottom. That way when I put my sheathing up here, hopefully the bottom of it will line up with the sheathing on the side. Should line up on the top as well. There we go. Let's take a look at it. Now because the floor and the back walls are the same width, I end up with a gap here in the corner where the plywood doesn't meet. But that's no worry. I can put a piece of corner trim on each side and it'll look just like a tiny feed shed. That's the least amount of fun I've had in a while. These will be my roof trusses once upon a time. Let's see if we can't get a front wall put in here. Do you ever have those days where you feel like you're doing a lot of work but nothing's getting done? That's the kind of day I'm having today. Right, these are the last two pieces for the door. Now when I say front door, I mean front wall. I really haven't given any thought to the door yet, so we may be in trouble. I think it'll do. I'm not sure what I got going on now. Just got to play it by ear. Closing up this front wall, but I'll be able to remove this bottom section to get in there. I still got to figure out what I'm going to do with the door as well as the roof. So by putting these on here and also stretching the tarp over the top, that'll help keep some of the rain out of it. Well, I think that's about all I have time for tonight. I'm going to get that roof covered up with that blue tarp. Then I'm going to figure out what my next move is. I've got to do some planning on the roof and the door as well. Well, I appreciate y'all watching this afternoon, and I'll catch y'all next time here at the It'll Do Homestead. Have a good evening, everybody.